up, folks? All right, check this out. We made it. We had some mishaps with the truck. I should have filmed a little bit, but I didn't. But we ended up making it to the first car show for Karen. So anyways, let's go walk around. There's some other Chevys here lined up with a bunch of Fords. Yeah. Oh, let's go check out this other crew cab over here. Folks, we may end up with a step side here in the future. Not this one, but one like this. What? My wife doesn't think so, but I think so. Look at this. We got a crew cab dually right here. We like the crew cabs, but I'm a big fan of the single rear wheel. What about you guys? Comment below. What do you like? Oh yeah. Should I? Okay. I think I decided I'm gonna paint the crew cab. I'm gonna redo the interior. Yep. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna do it. Oh look, bucked up. They got here early and landed. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. We got the triple shocks. That's like my Blazer right here. I got the shock hoops, but mine aren't chrome. But that looks good. I like it. Oh, okay. That's pretty sweet. Folks, oh, check this out. So see, I want to get something like this, so that I can off-road. I'm not gonna off-road my Blazer much, but I need something like this so I can off-road. But check that out. I need to get something like this for the Suburban. I need to mount. There we go. Yep, I need to get some guards like that for the Suburban. Oh yeah, we'll get them on the Suburban and we'll get them working. Yeah, buddy. Oh, look at a bunch of people sign it. Oh yes. Alrighty, that is sweet.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna taste.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way